Hello, Tech Trailblazers. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Linux as we explore advanced package management. If you're ready to take your Linux skills to the next level, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our tech journey. Let's get started. So, what is advanced package management in Linux? Well, it's like taking control of your software universe. We are not just talking about basic installations here, we are talking about sophisticated tools and techniques that give you the power to customize, optimize, and secure your Linux system. Stick around and you'll be a package management pro in no time. Dependency management. Our first stop is dependency management. Ever wondered how your system ensures that all those software packages play nice with each other? We've got tools like apt-rdepends and deplist to help us analyze and manage dependencies effectively. It's like being the conductor of a software orchestra. Source-based package management. Next up, we have source-based package management. Gentoo users, this one's for you. With Portage, you can compile software locally based on your system's architecture. It's like having a tailor-made suit for your software needs. Say goodbye to generic packages. Package rollback. Now, let's talk about package rollback. Ever installed an update and wished you could turn back time? Well, with commands like yum history undo and dnf history undo, you can roll back package installations or updates to a previous state. It's like having an undo button for your software changes. Package signing and verification. Security is paramount, and package signing and verification ensure the authenticity of your packages. Use RPM-Sign for RPM-based systems to sign packages with GPG keys. It's like putting a seal of approval on your software. Advanced package managers. Let's not forget about the heavy hitters, apt and dnf. apt-get, apt, yum, and dnf are your go-to commands for advanced package management on Debian and Red Hat-based systems. Update, upgrade, and manage your software with finesse. And there you have it, Tech Trailblazers. Advanced package management in Linux demystified. We've only scratched the surface today, but armed with these tools and techniques, you're well on your way to becoming a Linux maestro. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep trailblazing in the world of tech.